Welcome to Krama Mama's All the Things series. Today we will be testing out two viral cleaning pastes on my dirty stainless steel stovetop. ScrubDaddy's Power Paste and the ThePinkStuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. The links for these will be in the description below. Here in the Loud House, we are always cooking because someone is always hungry, so naturally the stovetop is always a mess. I try to wipe it down after a messy meal, but most of the time I'm too busy to really do a good wipe down and things get crusty and burnt. Yes, it's gross, but such is life. First things first, remove the grates from the stovetop, then remove the knobs. We're going to start with the dirtiest part of the stovetop. I'm starting with the ThePinkStuff and following the directions using a soft cloth. Honestly, I'm not really impressed with the ThePinkStuff for the stovetop. I like my cleaning products to do the hardest part of the job, not vice versa. Okay, let's try the Power Paste and the dye-free Scrub Mommy sponge that came with it. Honestly, I love ScrubDaddy products, so this might be my favorite. Virtually no hard scrubbing. I also love the texture of it, much more than the ThePinkStuff. For the stovetop cleaning, the Power Paste is definitely my favorite. I have to give it a win for today. Once I took the grates off, I grabbed a tote that my kids had stolen to use for who knows what. I put the grates in and used my Dawn Power Wash, filled it with very hot water, and then let it soak. I love that the Scrub Mommy sponge and the Power Paste are not scratching my stainless steel. The stovetop was already scuffed up when we bought our house, so I definitely don't want to scratch it up any worse. While I have your attention, I would like to show you a little girl who stole my heart. This is Summer Moon Utah Wells. She was 5 years old when she went missing on June 15th, 2021. She is 6 years old now. At the time of her disappearance, she was approximately 4 feet tall, 40 pounds, very short blonde hair, and blue eyes. She allegedly went missing from her home in Rogersville, Tennessee. Important links about Summer will be in the description of this video. If you have any information about the disappearance of Summer Wells, please call 1-800-TBI-FIND. According to the FBI, in 2021, there were 337,195 NCIC entries for missing children. In 2020, the total number of missing children entries into NCIC was 365,348. Please visit the FBI website to find out more about how you can protect your children. Okay, now we are going to clean and dry the grates and then put everything back together. I'm hooked on the ScrubDaddy Power Paste and will definitely keep that as my go-to for my stovetop. Gentle enough not to scratch, but cuts my work in half. I love it. Don't forget to check the links below. Then like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can keep up on everything here at my loud house. Thanks for watching. Bye.